All right, I'm going to play another piece of sound. This is again from Detective Ray Hermosillo, and this is where he is asking about where the kids are. This is him arriving at the scene, and this is what he said.
I then asked Alex if he knew where JJ was at. We were there to do a welfare check on JJ. At that point, Alex got a blank look on his face, kind of a frightened look, looked over at Chad Daybell, who was on the other side of the pickup truck. Chad then looked at Alex, and they both kind of just looked at each other and didn't answer my question.
It was a really simple question. Where are the kids at? And Jesse, Alex Cox has taken an oversized role in this case.
If this was the case against Alex Cox, I guarantee he'd be convicted of murder. He's deceased, so a lot of the answers we will never get from him. Now, the more you can tie Alex Cox to Lori, the more that you say that he would do anything for Lori, and I believe there's testimony that's going to come up that says he was afraid he was going to be the fall guy, the more you can show Lori, who's the defendant in this case, was a part of it.
But is Lori specifically pointing the finger at Alex and saying, look, I didn't do it, that's where you should be looking?
I don't think they're specifically pointing the finger now, but I tend to disagree a little, because the more Alex and Chad take a bigger role in this case, the more Lori Vallow can probably say, I was just a bystander. I don't think it passed the laugh test. I think it would have been much more wiser for the defense to maybe do this as a bench trial in front of a judge rather than a jury, but I think she's indirectly saying, I didn't have as much of a role in this as the prosecution is saying.
Well, I will tell you, I'll agree with this. I think the defense has done a phenomenal job of saying at the beginning, I don't know if they're really doing it, but that jury, the prosecution can't tell you exactly what Lori did. They have a number of different theories. They've charged her a number of different theories. They're asking you to figure out, did she commit the murders? Did she conspire? Did she aid and abet? I think there's something to that. But I will tell you, you're asking the jurors to be reasonable. You're asking them to use their common sense. And the thing that I can't get past, I'm not sure if the jurors can, she seemed to know what happened to the kids. And that's the part that I can't get past.
Gigi, let me ask you a question about being at the courthouse. Does Lori, I assume she's not engaging with anyone in the hallways, et cetera. I assume in all the breaks, she's taken back into a holding cell, correct?
Sometimes if it's a really short break, she'll stay at her table. But no, she doesn't really interact with anybody. And there's nobody here for her. It's all the Vallow family. It's all Charles and JJ's family. There's nobody here for her to interact with.
So there is no one who is supporting her. Is that correct?
Not a single person.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your cable provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.